This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Hamp Wilson. This well-designed townhome, the popular Cooper Pueblo floor plan, is located close to the HSV Fitness Center, in a wonderful neighborhood of duplex-type homes. Split bedrooms, vaulted living/dining with gas fireplace. New heat pump and thermostat in 2018, APCO ionizer whole house air purifier 2021. Large deck backs up to common property for a lovely nature view. Beautiful front yard. Oversized garage provides plenty of space for vehicles and all your stuff. Agent C remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Hamp Wilson at 501-209-6486.